The reason we tell you to ask Google about the real-world problems with high-frequency inverters and batteries, instead of relying on a YouTube influencer, is simple. Google doesn't have a commission link. It aggregates information from thousands of independent sources, technical discussions, documented failures, user experiences, and manufacturer data, giving you a far more objective picture of how these products actually perform over time. Before you take inverter and battery buying advice from a YouTube influencer, ask yourself a few important questions. Are they inverter design engineers? Are they manufacturers? Are they factory-authorized repair technicians with years of hands-on experience diagnosing and analyzing real-world product failures? In most cases, the answer is no. The vast majority of solar influencers are simply end users sharing their personal experiences with a product. While that experience may be valuable, it is not a substitute for engineering knowledge, manufacturing experience, or years spent troubleshooting failed equipment at the component level. Their performance tests are often conducted using consumer-grade test equipment rather than calibrated laboratory-grade instruments. In many cases, the tests are performed only once or twice under limited conditions, using mostly resistive loads that fail to replicate the demanding reactive and inductive loads found in real-world applications, such as air conditioners, well pumps, compressors, refrigerators, and power tools. A meaningful evaluation of an inverter or battery requires extensive testing across a wide range of operating conditions, load types, temperatures, surge events, and long-term reliability scenarios. Without that level of testing, conclusions about performance, durability, safety, and service life are often incomplete, or worse, misleading. When investing thousands of dollars in a solar power system, it's wise to seek information from experienced engineers, manufacturers, repair professionals, and organizations with the equipment, expertise, and facilities necessary to perform comprehensive product evaluations, not simply from content creators whose primary goal is generating views, clicks, affiliate commissions, and sales referrals. Their revenue depends on clicks, affiliate links, and product promotion, often for the very high-frequency transformerless inverters that generate the most sales, not the best long-term results. So when you see glowing reviews, ask yourself, is this real engineering insight or a well-produced sales pitch? Because when your entire home depends on that inverter and battery, you don't want opinions driven by commissions. You want answers backed by real-world long-term performance. Whether you're providing backup power for the lights and sound system at a massive metal concert in Norwalk, California, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm in Norman, Oklahoma, DIYsolar.com has got you covered. With the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service. Every DIY solar battery backup system that we sell is built with premium inverters, industrial-grade switchgear, and high-performance lithium batteries chosen for one reason: long-term reliability. If you're searching for the lightweight, consumer-grade, high-frequency inverters promoted by YouTube influencers chasing affiliate commissions, you've come to the wrong place. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, It's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight, high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market.
Storm clouds roll, I've seen the lights go out, but we're still in control. One more ray and the charge returns. That's why I trust this power every time it turns. DIY, why solar? DIY solar. You power me. DIY, why solar? DIY solar. Set me free.
This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand Eve Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, Eve Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, Eve has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing.
When the power lines fail and the whole town's dark, our batteries hold like a faithful spark. One more day of sunshine in the sky. Freedom's what I found when I cut the tie. DIY, why solar? DIY solar. You power me. DIY, why solar? DIY solar. Set me free.
Bring us the best DIY battery backup system quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price that no other dealer can touch.